8 Benefits of a Managed IT Service for your business. One of the most critical investments you can make in your business is ensuring the safety, uptime, and effectiveness of the technology your team uses. An in-house team may be able to support your business, but to scale and focus on your core offerings, a managed IT service provider who understands your work and line of business could be the way to go. Not yet convinced about making the switch? Here are 8 benefits that a good managed IT service provider could add to your business. 1. Increased user productivity. Studies show that unplanned downtime costs companies approximately $60,000 for every 100 users. A managed IT service provider can help improve user productivity. 2. Unlimited knowledge and experience. A good managed IT service provider will have a breadth of knowledge across various industries. Additionally, they will show continuous learning with certifications and education. 3. Less opportunity for security breaches. Cybercriminals are always lurking, but having a managed IT service provider by your side can help you stay up to date with the latest defenses and decrease the risk of a security breach. 4. Higher level of efficiency. Partnering with a managed IT service provider can help you focus on your company's core offerings. Your MSP will ensure you are following industry standards and regulations, saving you time, money, and resources. 5. Boosted return on investment. For the same cost as a small in-house team, or even less cost in some cases, a managed IT service provider can offer a much larger team of professionals and access to technology solutions that protect and empower your business. 6. Maintaining compliance. Industries are constantly evolving. With all the other things going on in your business, you may find it hard to keep up with various rules and regulations. Working with a managed IT services provider can help in ensuring your company maintains compliance. 7. Streamlined budget. Technology is unpredictable at times. What is in vogue today may be old news tomorrow. Hence, IT costs can be unpredictable as systems can break at any time. Having a managed IT services provider at your side can help you avoid unexpected costs and plan for upgrades. 8. Full centralization. It is important to know that all of your stuff is in one place. With a good managed IT services provider, you can benefit from centralizing all of your servers and applications regardless of your staff's location. Many businesses are able to see these major benefits by having a managed IT service provider in place, and you can too. Check out Buchanan Technology's managed IT services, including IT service desk and IT staffing at www.buchanan.com.